Words carry immense power, especially the words you speak to yourself. The thoughts you repeat, the affirmations you believe in, shape the reality around you. By changing the way you talk to yourself, you unlock the potential to attract everything you desire in life. Let's explore the life-changing power of positive affirmations that can shift your mindset, open doors, and invite abundance into your life. The foundation of attracting anything you want begins with how you view yourself. If you constantly affirm that you're worthy of love, success, and happiness, you'll start to attract these very things into your life. Your thoughts are the blueprint for the life you create. And when you acknowledge your inherent worth, you're setting the stage for everything positive to manifest. Start with affirming, "I am worthy of all good things." The beauty of this affirmation lies in its simplicity. When repeated, it shifts your belief system, gradually replacing self-doubt with confidence. It's like planting a seed in your mind and watching it grow into a life filled with endless opportunities. By affirming your worth, you eliminate any self-imposed limitations, making way for growth and transformation. By cultivating a strong sense of self-worth, you can let go of any fears or doubts that prevent you from going after your goals. Keep in mind that you deserve the best in life, and by telling yourself this regularly, you're attracting the same energy you put out into the universe. Keep this affirmation close to you, and let it guide your thoughts and actions. Affirmations like this help you focus on your strengths and capabilities, rather than dwelling on shortcomings. Over time, you'll notice a profound shift in how you perceive yourself and your life. With every affirmation, you'll begin to align with the energy of abundance and positivity. Another key affirmation for attracting all you desire is, "I attract abundance in all areas of my life." This simple yet powerful statement can have a major impact on your mindset. The more you believe that abundance is your birthright, the more it will begin to flow to you. Abundance isn't limited to wealth alone, it encompasses love, health, joy, and opportunities. When you affirm abundance, you're sending a message to the universe that you're open to receiving all forms of prosperity. This allows you to feel more confident in your ability to achieve your goals, whether they're financial, emotional, or personal. By consistently affirming abundance, you're telling the universe that you're ready to accept the goodness it has to offer. These affirmations also encourage gratitude. When you focus on what you already have, you're able to appreciate even the smallest things in your life, making room for even more to come in. Gratitude amplifies your ability to attract greater blessings because you're acknowledging the good that's already present. In time, you'll notice opportunities arising in unexpected places. Whether it's a new job, a new connection, or even unexpected financial blessings, the energy of abundance will flow to you more effortlessly. Abundance doesn't have to be a faraway dream, it's a reality that starts with your thoughts. Health is an essential aspect of our lives, and affirming your well-being can create a profound shift in how you experience your body and mind. An affirmation like "I am healthy, vibrant, and full of life" serves as a daily reminder of the vitality that resides within you. When you believe in your health, your body responds accordingly. By repeating affirmations focused on health, you're reminding yourself that you are in control of your physical and mental well-being. Your thoughts directly influence how you feel, so a positive mindset can lead to improved energy levels and overall vitality. The more you repeat these affirmations, the more your body begins to resonate with the frequency of health. It's not just about physical health, though. Mental and emotional health are equally important. By affirming balance in all areas of your life, you create harmony within yourself. You begin to attract situations and relationships that nurture your well-being, and in turn, your health flourishes. Your body is a reflection of your thoughts. When you think positively about your health, you send signals to your subconscious mind, reinforcing the belief that you are capable of living a healthy and energetic life. Through consistent affirmations, you create a lasting sense of vitality that supports your goals and dreams. Love is one of the most powerful forces in the universe, and affirming love in your life opens the door to meaningful connections. One of the most powerful affirmations you can say is, "I am worthy of love, and I attract loving, supportive relationships." This affirmation not only reinforces self-love but also sets the intention for attracting nurturing relationships. When you affirm that you are deserving of love, you shift your focus from loneliness or scarcity to abundance in relationships. This opens your heart to new connections and helps you release any fears or insecurities that might have previously held you back from experiencing true love. As you affirm love, you'll notice that the relationships you attract reflect the love you give to yourself. Whether it's a romantic partner, friends, or family, the more you believe in your worthiness of love, the more loving people you'll attract into your life. Your energy speaks louder than words, and by aligning with love, you start to draw others who resonate with the same energy. Love isn't just about receiving, it's also about giving. Affirming love makes it easier to both give and receive, creating an endless cycle of positive energy in your relationships. Confidence is an essential part of achieving your goals and dreams. By affirming, "I am confident in my abilities and trust in my decisions," you are creating a solid foundation of self-assurance. Confidence doesn't come from external validation, it comes from within, and your words can help cultivate this internal strength. When you repeatedly tell yourself that you are capable, you begin to take bold actions that align with your highest potential. Affirmations like these remind you that you are the creator of your own reality. They help silence the inner critic that doubts your capabilities, replacing it with empowering thoughts. As you affirm your confidence, you'll begin to feel more assured in your choices, leading you to take opportunities that once seemed daunting. This confidence allows you to push past fear, step out of your comfort zone, and make decisions that are aligned with your values. Each affirmation builds upon the last, strengthening your belief in yourself and your abilities. With confidence, you'll find that life becomes less about worrying and more about creating the experiences you want. Over time, this confidence becomes second nature. You'll notice that even in challenging situations, you approach them with poise and a sense of self-belief. By affirming your confidence daily, you set yourself up for success in everything you pursue. Success isn't just about reaching the destination, it's about the mindset you cultivate along the way. An affirmation such as "I am successful in everything I do" helps to foster the belief that success is inevitable. Whether it's in your career, personal life, or passions, repeating this affirmation reinforces the idea that you are capable of achieving your goals. Success is built upon your thoughts and actions. When you consistently affirm that success is within your reach, you align your thoughts with the frequency of accomplishment. You'll start to notice that opportunities present themselves more naturally, and you'll feel motivated to take the necessary steps to make those opportunities a reality. By visualizing yourself as successful and constantly affirming this belief, you create a momentum that drives you forward. Success is not just something you wish for, it becomes something you know you will achieve. Your affirmation sends a message to your subconscious mind, encouraging you to take inspired action and make success a part of your everyday reality. The more you believe in your success, the more you will see it manifest. Success is a state of mind, and through affirmations, you can continuously feed that mindset to see tangible results in your life. In a world filled with chaos, finding peace within yourself is essential. Affirmations like, "I am at peace with myself and the world around me," create a sense of inner tranquility that helps you navigate life with calmness. By repeating this affirmation, you remind yourself that no matter what happens externally, you have control over your inner state. Peace is not something you can find outside of yourself. It is cultivated within. And affirming peace every day allows you to create a stable foundation for emotional well-being. When life gets overwhelming, this affirmation will help center you and remind you that you can face any challenge with a calm and composed mind. Incorporating these affirmations into your daily routine can help you reduce stress and anxiety. It shifts your focus from the chaos to your inner sanctuary, where peace and clarity reside. As you affirm your peace, you create a more harmonious existence, one where you are able to handle situations with a calm demeanor and clear mind. Over time, you will notice that your reaction to stressors becomes more measured. Life won't feel as overwhelming because you've trained your mind to return to a place of peace. Keep affirming your inner peace, and watch as your external world reflects that calmness. Gratitude is one of the most powerful ways to shift your mindset and attract more of what you desire. An affirmation like, "I am grateful for all the blessings in my life," serves as a reminder to appreciate both big and small moments. When you focus on gratitude, you raise your vibration and begin to attract more positive energy. The practice of gratitude opens the door to abundance because it helps you focus on what you already have, instead of what you lack. The more you express gratitude, the more you will realize how much you truly have. This shift in perspective invites even more blessings into your life. By incorporating this affirmation into your daily routine, you encourage a sense of abundance, joy, and appreciation. Gratitude helps you to see life through a more positive lens, attracting more good things into your world. It also enhances your relationships and well-being by allowing you to celebrate the present moment. Over time, the act of gratitude becomes automatic. You'll find yourself appreciating even the smallest things, knowing that each moment is a gift. With gratitude, your life will become richer and more fulfilling, as you start to notice the abundance that surrounds you. Living a life of purpose means aligning your actions with your passions and values. By affirming, "I am living a life full of purpose and meaning," you are reinforcing your commitment to living authentically. This affirmation serves as a reminder that every action you take can be aligned with your higher purpose, bringing deeper fulfillment. When you affirm your purpose, you send a clear message to the universe that you're ready to step into your calling. This affirmation helps you stay focused on what truly matters, whether it's your career, personal growth, or helping others. With this mindset, every step you take feels intentional and impactful. Living with purpose brings clarity to your decisions. It makes it easier to say no to things that don't serve you, and yes to opportunities that align with your values. Purpose fuels passion, and by affirming your life's mission, you create a ripple effect that impacts every area of your life. When you live with purpose, every day feels meaningful. You begin to see how your actions contribute to your greater goals, and the path to fulfillment becomes clearer. By affirming your purpose, you invite more of what you're meant to do into your life, making each moment purposeful. Change starts from within, and affirmations are a powerful tool for creating the life you want. By affirming, "I am the creator of my own reality," you accept your power to transform your life. This affirmation reinforces the idea that you are in control, and with the right mindset, you can make changes that reflect your true desires. By regularly affirming your ability to create positive change, you begin to see opportunities for growth in all areas of your life. This mindset shifts your perspective, allowing you to view challenges as opportunities for improvement, rather than obstacles. Change becomes an exciting possibility, not something to fear. Your words have the power to shape your experiences. As you affirm your ability to change, you start to notice subtle shifts in your behavior, choices, and surroundings. The more you believe in your capacity to create positive change, the easier it becomes to transform your life. Creating change requires commitment and focus. Through affirmations, you reinforce the belief that you have the power to shape your destiny. Over time, you'll find that positive change comes naturally, and your life begins to reflect the reality you've always desired. Affirmations are a simple but powerful way to align your mind with your desires and create the life you've always wanted. By speaking positively to yourself, you can change your thoughts, beliefs, and actions to attract abundance, love, success, and so much more. Make affirmations a part of your daily routine and watch as your life begins to shift. The power of your words is limitless. Continue to affirm your worth, your goals, and your dreams, and recall that you hold the key to manifesting everything you desire. If this video resonated with you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more inspiring content.